Hey Simply Bakers, it's Lainey, and today I'm sharing with you a delicious, easy vegan cake. You guys will love this. I got a lot of compliments for this recipe, so let's begin. So in a large bowl, you're going to add 1 package of Devil's Food Cake Mix. Now you have to get the vegan version. I will list it in the description box and a link to where you can purchase it, and it's super affordable. Next, add the instant coffee granules. If you are serving this to children, feel free to omit this. Next, add the ground cinnamon, 1 1/4 cups of water, vegetable oil. So to bind the cake, I use egg replacers. I can't remember what I used, but you need to use 3 eggs worth of egg replacers. I will list in the description box what I use, but I am exploring what is best to use for baking, that is egg replacers. I do have a favorite one, and I didn't use that one because that's, my favorite. So I'm trying to branch out. But anyway, you're going to continue mixing with your handheld mixer until everything is mixed well. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. So once you're done mixing, you're going to grab a 9 by 13 inch pan and you're going to grease it before adding in the dough or the batter. And isn't this pan pretty? I actually bought this just for this recipe. So all my new friends here on SimplyBakings, don't forget to subscribe so you can get all of my new and latest recipes. I would love it if you guys would do that. Anyway, back to the recipe. You're going to get a spatula and you're going to just spread out the cake mix or the batter until it's evenly balanced, and then pop it in the oven and take a look here. So allow the cake to cool for at least 30 minutes and then go ahead and cut into it. This cake was so delicious. I actually gave it to my sister-in-law and she brought it to work and she got so many reviews of how delicious it is. And one thing I love about this recipe, it is so easy to make and it's foolproof, guys, and it's vegan. That makes it even better. So if you don't want to make it vegan, you can go ahead and add eggs if you'd like. If not, go use those egg replacers. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys like this recipe. Give it a thumbs up and I will see you on my next upload on Friday. Bye, guys.